When Tesla released the Model Y in 2020, the electric sedan joined the company's high-quality roster, bringing the best of EVs to drivers at a lower price point. Buyers have been snapping up the car since, and it has found commercial success. However, as a businessman who never settles, Musk is changing the Model Y design to reach more customers. Join us as we explore what makes the redesigned Model Y even better. Apart from being an electric car, the Model Y is a capable car. It didn't bring the benefits of zero emission by making some compromises or sacrifices. The car was a part of Musk's strategy of making electric vehicles available to the mass market. The plan has 3 components and started with the Model 3 in 2017. The second part was the Model Y, while the third part was the Cybertruck. The sci-fi-looking electric pickup truck will likely come in 2022. Tesla has positioned all 3 models cheaper than the Model S and Model X. The market has responded accordingly, with the Model 3 and Model Y making up 96% of Tesla's record-breaking 241,300 deliveries last quarter. The more expensive Model S and Model X moved only 9,275 units. Tesla customers just couldn't get enough of the Model Y crossover, and it is easy to see why. The range, one of the top factors for EV buyers in that price range, is adequate. According to EPA ratings, the lower long-range trim, which starts at $50,690, will last 326 miles on a single charge. The next trim, the Performance, sacrifices a bit of range for performance and will deliver 303 miles before the battery dies. This trim starts at $57,690. These ranges rank the Model Y high on electric vehicle lists. Bear in mind that the prices just mentioned include what Tesla calls potential savings, which adds more than $4,000 to the price tags. Both trims are all-wheel drive and use a dual electric motor setup. The base trim takes only 4.8 seconds to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour and reaches a top speed of 135 miles per hour. The Performance version shaves off 3.5 seconds to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour and reach a top speed of 155 miles per hour. More upgrades over the basic trim include 21-inch Uber turbine wheels, performance brakes, lowered suspension, and aluminium alloy pedals. The Model Y is one of the selected electric vehicles certified for towing by the manufacturer, as it can pull up to 3,500 pounds. You can configure the Model Y with third-row seats, where 2 younger adults with smaller bodies can hang out. Despite its lower price point, Tesla imported the sophisticated all-glass roof of the Model S to the Model Y. The expansive glass roof gives the passenger a brighter, more spacious experience and a seamless panoramic sky view. It uses a 2% tint to keep out heat by blocking infrared and ultraviolet light from the sun. Tesla released a video detailing how the glass roof is made, and you will be impressed by how much attention Tesla pays to a car that doesn't cost 6 figures. For example, Tesla uses laminated glass to reduce noise. This is actually a sandwich made of 2 layers or panes of glass with an acoustic dampening layer between them. Their roof can support 4 times the weight of the car itself, despite being made of glass. The rest of the interior shows further evidence of thoughtful design. The centerpiece is an expansive 15-inch touch-enabled screen where you can watch the feeds from the side and rear-view cameras, play games, watch a movie, access controls and settings, and so forth. Tesla has packed in sensors and cameras that visualize the surrounding in real time, enabling it to watch the speed limit signs, upcoming traffic, and hazards. Tesla reckons you might need to charge your smartphones a few times while riding in the car, hence has included charging space for 2 phones. There are ports for the same purpose if that is what works with your phone. Other tech includes overheat protection for keeping the interior cool, a HEPA filtration system that delivers the air quality in the cabin, and cabin preconditioning during cold weather. There is even a dog mode for when you have to leave your beloved pet alone in the car. A system of 14 speakers produces immersive sounds. Also included are power-adjustable front seats, heated steering wheel, and front and rear seats. Impressive list of features, it could be hard to imagine how Tesla plans to improve the Model Y. Tesla is really improving the Model Y, as Musk confirmed during July's earnings call for the second quarter of 2021. He said a new design of the compact SUV should be available later this year. This refresh will be the biggest ever to happen to the Model Y since it was released. Here are some of the changes and upgrades Tesla is making to the Model Y. 1. Cast front and rear body. Tesla currently makes the rear of the Model Y body from a cast, but the new Model Y will have both the front and back made from casts, making the body only 2 pieces. This is where Tesla's gigapresses shine. They are giant machines built by Italian manufacturer Idra Group. They use between 5,500 and 6,200 tons of force to push the liquid buoy materials through extrusion to make a part. Tesla has been using the gigapress to make the rear section into a single piece, thus combining over 70 components into one piece. The front section will get the same treatment in the refreshed Model Y. This will be done in Tesla's facilities in Texas and Berlin. Using the gigapresses will help Tesla save on cost, speed up production by greatly simplifying the process, and increase the structural rigidity of the car's body. 2. The new 4680 battery cell. Much has been said about Tesla's new 4680 battery. The company unveiled the battery last year during its Battery Day event. During another event called GigaFest, which Tesla is using to give a tour to locals, especially for its new plant in Berlin, Germany, Tesla revealed the Model Y's battery pack, and it uses the new battery. In fact, this Model Y refresh will be the first car in the world to use it. The battery pack will form part of the structure of the car, giving it more rigidity. It will also reduce the number of parts in the car by 370 and cut 10% from the weight. Tesla designed the new battery cells to be less heavy, have more range, last longer, be more affordable, and store more power. From figures released by Tesla, the 4680 batteries will give a 54% increase in range and a 56% reduction in cost. The new battery comes as Tesla races to achieve price parity with gas-powered cars. Perhaps this would be the first over 500 miles range Tesla. Lucid Motors had better watch its back. However, if the new battery continues to delay, Tesla will have no option but to initially use its old battery on the Model Y. 3 exciting new colors. Giga Berlin is getting a world-class paint shop, according to Musk. The first beneficiary of the state-of-the-art facility will be the Model Y. During the GigaFest event, which showcased the structural battery pack, visitors spotted additional colors for Tesla cars. Twitter user @AlexaVoigt reported colors crimson red and a new blue color. He claims the new colors will set Tesla cars apart in the market. He added he was assured by the paint shop manager that he had found an Easter egg. 4 possible price cuts. Tesla regularly applies price cuts or increases across its product lineup. However, the refreshed Model Y can cost less, at least in Europe, if the scenario in China plays out in Berlin. Before Tesla started delivering the cars made at its Shanghai factory in January 2020, the company reduced the price of the Model 3 in China by 9%. Now that the Berlin factory will simplify the manufacturing process and help Tesla minimize production costs, we can't rule out a price cut. The price cut will help align with Musk's desire to make electric vehicles available to more people. Tell us what features of the new Model Y that you're excited about the most in the comment section.